Welcome back to our channel, Future Dream Cars. Today we are diving into the stunning 2025 Audi R8, a supercar that blends luxury with performance. Let's explore its striking exterior and luxurious interior. Exterior: the 2025 Audi R8 boasts a bold and aggressive design, featuring sharp lines and a low stance that command attention. The front end is defined by the iconic single-frame grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a fierce look. New for 2025, the updated front splitter enhances aerodynamics while adding a sporty flair. The side profile reveals those signature side blades and muscular wheel arches, emphasizing its powerful presence. At the rear, the redesigned taillights and integrated diffuser not only look stunning but also improve airflow, reflecting Audi's commitment to performance. The dual exhaust outlets offer a hint of the raw power that lies beneath the hood. Interior: step inside the 2025 R8, and you're greeted by a perfect blend of luxury and technology. The cockpit is driver-focused, with high-quality materials like leather and carbon fiber throughout. The virtual cockpit display is a standout feature, providing all essential information right in front of you, customizable to your preference. The infotainment system is intuitive, with seamless smartphone integration for an enhanced driving experience. Comfort is key in the R8, with sport seats that provide excellent support during spirited drives. Plus, the cabin is surprisingly spacious for a supercar, ensuring you and your passenger enjoy the ride. Performance: under the hood, the 2025 Audi R8 offers exhilarating performance. With options for both V10 and electric powertrains, you can choose the perfect balance of power and efficiency. The all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional handling and grip, making every drive an adrenaline rush. The 2025 Audi R8 is more than just a supercar, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design. Whether you're looking for breathtaking performance or everyday luxury, the R8 delivers on all fronts. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Audi R8.